Hello, it's the Avid Picker 1, and today we have a challenge log, Abby Normal by West Coast Picks, and they've got the key mummified. I'm not gonna worry about that, just leave it mummified, and I'm gonna use bottom of the keyway. Let me zoom in so you can see this. Yeah, there we go. I'm going to use bottom of the keyway tension and my Sparrow's short hook in 25 thousandths. Okay. Get this in here and we'll get it picked. Hopefully. Alright. Going, as always, I'm going to start in the back and pick my way forward. Oh, and we're open on 4. Okay. Zoom out for you, and let's get this thing out of the vise. And it is picked. With this one, you gotta be careful not to turn it 180 because everything will fall out. But yeah, it's definitely picked. So let's gut this thing. Get my vise out of the way. Remove some of this stuff. Alright, let me get my pinning tray. Alright, let me adjust the camera and let's see, step it back and there we go. Let's see if I can get a little closer. Alright, I'm not gonna lock it up because I don't want to take that key out of the mummy, but it's got the Schlage style tailpiece, so I'm gonna get my resin follower and take it off. Drop that spring out. Okay. Let's see. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and shim this because it is a challenge log. There we go. And just gonna follow it on out. There's the shim. Okay, let's see here. One is standard, I think. I'll get a close up of these pins as soon as I get it gutted. Standard, Standard. Okay, we'll take a look at the core in just a minute. Okay. We got a homemade, I don't know, it's kind of got like little notches cut out of it. And another one of those. Different spring. Another one. Different spring again. And another one of those. I haven't seen these before. On the close-up, we'll see them. And something kind of similar. And another different spring. Okay, let's take a look at the core. We got threading in 3 and 4. No, actually we got threading in 3, undercut in 2 and 4. And 1 and 5 are just regular, all regular. Let's see here. Let me get my probe. Nothing done to the Bible. It's all standard. Let me do a close-up of the pins. Let's see here. Oh. Okay. Now, we've got standard, well, they're standard, but the it has like a very, very faint serration. Right, well, shit, zoom, focus for me here. Okay, well, let me pull it away a little bit. Sit, okay. And as you can see, it's got like a tiny little serration right there, and that's how all the key pins are. They're all exactly the same, and the drivers have like little indentations randomly cut out. I guess to hang up on that, like they're like serrations, but every one of them is like that, except number 5, and it is has that tapered top with a little serration, and that's all it's done to him. And then we got a spring, a steel spring in 1, copper, medium copper 2 and 4, and larger brass springs in 3 and 5. And I guess I'm gonna sign off there, and I just hope that you enjoyed this. So please like, comment, and subscribe, because there will be much more. Be safe and keep on picking.